Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Office 365. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to create or sign up for a new account for Office 365, you'll need to first open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in account.microsoft.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, go to the top right hand corner and click on the sign in button, where it asks you to sign into your account. For Microsoft, sign into your Microsoft account. Go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number or your Skype ID if you already have an account. But if you don't have it yet and you'd like to sign up for a new one, click on No Account, Create One link. Now, in order to create an account, first, create an email address for your Microsoft account. Type in your email according to your choice. Once you enter an email address for yourself, click the Next button. Now, create a new password for your Microsoft account and make sure to create a strong password in the text box. Once you create a password, you can double check your password by clicking on this Show Password box. If you'd like to receive information, tips, and offers about Microsoft products and services, check this little box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you don't want to do that. Now, click the Next button. Complete the puzzle so that you can prove you are a human being by clicking the Next button. Complete the task, and in the next pop-up, click on either Yes to stay signed in to your Microsoft account or No, and you'll be able to create your Office 365 account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.